Hi guys, I'm making this recording to show you about the peer review because I was sick on Tuesday and I wanted to do the discussion of the Orchid Thief on Thursday. As I explained in class, we're doing an online web discussion peer review. As a refresher for everyone, and this will be graded, as a refresher for everyone and also for the people who missed, I'm making this screen capture. Okay, so when you're in the D2L, click on our class. Okay, here are the peer review pairs. Okay, so in class, Freddie and Alice, Gabe and Sebastian, Dominique and Luis, Alfredo and Sam Gisler, Savannah and Sam Bennett. I decided to, pair these people. I'm not sure about these people, but if they are able to, Ixtayana reviewing Taylor, Taylor reviewing Sophia, Sophia reviewing Ixtayana. Just to let you know, the two due dates that are on there, I put a due date for tonight, Saturday night. That's when I would like you to upload your paper. Upload your paper into the discussion. And then your peer is going to read your paper tomorrow, and they're going to upload their peer review by Sunday night. That's the end date. For those of you who are behind on this, what I'm going to do is tomorrow morning I'm going to check and see who's turned in their paper. Whoever's turned it in, they're getting assigned to each other. I'm going to change these peer pairs according to whoever turned it in. They'll get assigned to each other, okay? If I see other people turn it in, for example, next week, or if some of you just who don't check, some of you who didn't come on Thursday, never check your email, don't see this, don't check this announcement, don't know that this is happening, but you still want to do this, I will reopen it and let you do it next week and assign you to each other. But those who turn it in tomorrow, I'm going to remake this peer review list and assign you to each other, okay? Okay, so right now that's who is reviewing who. So where it says homework for the weekend, click this link, Peer Review, Literature and Film, Compare and Contrast. It brings you in here, okay? Upload your own paper to the discussion thread via attachment. Then download your assigned peer partner's paper, put it into Google Docs, share with them to their email, read the entirety of your assigned peer partner's paper. Use suggesting mode to make line edits and comments. Next, download the Literature and Film, Compare and Contrast Peer Review Checklist download. And in each box, you write excellent, good, fair, and redo. Okay? I will do all of this for the first person who uploads their paper to the discussion thread as an example as well. Your paper is due by Saturday the 7th at midnight in the discussion thread. Please also upload it to my Dropbox at the same time. Your peer review on the discussion thread will be due by Sunday the 8th at midnight. Okay, then again is the peer pairs, and this is what you're commenting on with a suggestion afterwards. Okay? Okay, so Sam's paper is already in there. These are both my test papers. I'm going to show you what you would do. You would go start a new thread. All right. First, let me open Docs. Okay. Okay, I'm going to call this Carmen's test paper 2. Okay. Download as Microsoft Word doc. Okay. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go start a new thread. Let's say that this paper is for Sam G. Okay. This is actually the third test thread. There's been a number of test threads. Okay. Here is my paper. Thanks in advance for your help. Okay. And then here, I need to go to Add Attachments, Upload. Okay. downloads. Okay. This is an untitled document. Cancel this and title this and download it again. Okay. Upload. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. Open. There it is. All right. I'm going to go down to post and post. Okay. So now the person who clicks on this, so if I'm doing this for Sam G, for example, can open this. Now down here, they can go down and open this. It will appear as a download at the bottom, and they'll open that. There's the paper, their peer's paper. Okay. So I now, if they've opened it as a document, they're going to put it into their own Google Doc. Okay, let's say I open this as a Word document. If I upload it, if I just download it and upload it straight into Google Docs, then I can just share that directly. But let's say that I download it into Microsoft Word, then I need to make a new Google document where I'm going to take their entirety of their paper and copy and paste it. Like that. Okay. All right, this is a Mac, so I think it's Command C. Yes, okay, so there I copied and tested their paper. So in order to, let's see if I can move this up or down and show this to you. Okay, you need to go into suggesting mode, all right? So I want this to be centered. Okay. Say I don't like the word test there. Maybe this should be changed to sample, or you can just write word choice. What do you think? Whatever you want, okay? Make a comment. Say I think this should be typed out. Just highlight and backspace and it erases it, and then type out too, and it puts it in there. And then when their peer is reading over your paper, they can click on these to see which pertains to what, and it shows you. You can see the cursor is moving to show you which is pertaining to what. Okay, so that's how you do suggesting mode. Then you're going to go share. Okay. Save, and I would, if this was say that this was Sam is sharing this with me, he would put in this. Here's your paper with my comments, okay? And let's go down here. Okay, and go send. Great. Now that person has gotten that. Okay, great. Going back here. Second thing that you need to do, okay? After you, so by Saturday you need to upload your paper for your peer. And then you download your peer's paper, put it into Google Docs, give them feedback, and send it, share it with them, okay? Now let's go back into this thread again. Open this checklist. Okay. It'll download at the bottom. Okay. Okay, where's my downloads? All right, well, it downloaded. Let me just open it from here. Okay. Open, upload. Okay, downloads. There we go. Peer review checklist download. So that link is there on the thread. Okay. Okay. Here it is. So you're going to go through and simply write on these. Excellent. This starts working in a minute. Okay, excellent. And then maybe fair. Redo. Good. Okay, go down and do all of them. Then, to move this down, down. Okay, when you go all the way down, you'll see at the bottom, it says overall comment for your peer's paper. After you do all this, write one paragraph. Make sure to give praise about what your peer did well, or for what your peer did well, and helpful critique on what could use changing, what could use some revision. Okay, then you're gonna save this, or you're gonna download it, and you're gonna call it peer review checklist for Carmen. Say Sam was doing this, he would call it for Carmen, with comment, download as Word document. Okay, I just downloaded that. Yep, downloaded it as a Word document. Okay, then he's going to go back into the thread. All right, back into the thread. Okay, he's going to find my paper here, click on it, and go reapply to thread. Okay, here is here are the downloads of your paper with my comments from Google Docs and the peer review checklist. Even though you're sharing it with someone, I want to see that you did that part, so that's why I'm asking for both of these downloads. Okay, let's go add attachments, upload. Okay, peer review checklist for Carmen with comment. There it is. All right, and then Carmen's test paper 2 is the one that you have edited there. So let's go ahead and download that. Download that as a document. .docx. Okay, let's upload that too. Upload Carmen's test paper 2. Okay. Then me, when I'm looking at this, I can see that you did that. You gave them suggestions in Google Docs, and you did the peer review checklist, and you go post and reply to their thread. And that is how you do this peer review, okay? You're going through that checklist, you're writing excellent, fair, good, redo, and one overall paragraph comment for them, and then you're also going to give them some suggestions in Google Docs. You can share that with them in Google Docs, okay? And you can also download it and put it on here. So, again, I hope that this has been instructive. If you're wondering, again, back to topic. Just to reiterate, I'm going to check and see who's uploaded this by tonight, and reassign these tomorrow based on that. If you don't see this till later, but you want to do it, let me know and I will pair you, okay? Let me know during your conference or send me an email. I will pair people up so they can do it and get the points for this, okay? That is how you do it. And then here in here itself, okay, start a new thread to upload your paper. Don't forget to go to add attachments. And then when you apply it, you add attachments to review someone's paper. And then here is where you click for the checklist for the download, okay, to open up that checklist. I hope that this has been helpful and instructional. I'm going to go ahead and post this for you. Good luck, and I'll see you next week in conference. But I'll also see you back on here on your thread. I'm going to reply to people's threads and say you did this, or you didn't do this, or you need to do this, or you need to do this better, or whatever. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this thread, and I'm also going to be redoing the peer pairs as necessary, depending on who turns in a paper tonight. Okay, great. Thank you very much. See you online very shortly, and see you next week in conference. Email me with any questions. Have a good night. Bye.